In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video and audio in Zoom. If you've ever tried to play a clip in a meeting and your audience could see it but couldn't hear it, this walkthrough will fix that. We'll go step by step, so your video looks smooth and the audio comes through clearly for everyone. First, launch Zoom from your device. I recommend using the desktop app for the most reliable sharing experience. Make sure you're signed in, and if possible, running the latest version of the app so you have the best performance and the right sharing options. Next, start a meeting. You can host a new meeting or join one where you're allowed to share. If you're not the host, ensure the host has enabled participant screen sharing. Once you're in the meeting, move your mouse if you don't see the controls right away. The toolbar should appear across the bottom of your Zoom window. In the meeting controls, click the green Share button. This opens the share screen window with thumbnails of what you can share. Now select the screen or the specific window that already has your video open. Choosing an entire screen lets you switch between apps, but selecting a single window keeps the audience focused on just the video player. For the cleanest result, have your video queued up and paused at the start so you're ready to hit play. If you're sharing a browser tab, double-check the tab is unmuted. In the bottom left corner of the share screen window, check the box for Share Sound and also check Optimize for Video Clip. Share Sound sends your computer's audio directly into the meeting so everyone hears the video clearly. Optimize for Video Clip adjusts the share for smoother motion, which is ideal for movies, training videos, or animations. If you don't see or can't click these options on your first try, especially on a Mac, you might be prompted to allow screen recording or audio permissions. Just follow the on-screen instructions and return to this window. Click the Share button. You'll see a colored border around what you selected, confirming it's live to participants. At this point, your mouse and keyboard control the shared content. Start playing your video in the shared window. Participants will now be able to see and hear it. Keep an eye on your computer's volume. Set it to a comfortable level and consider using headphones to avoid any feedback from your microphone. If you need to speak over the clip, pause briefly so your voice remains clear, then resume playback. That's all there is to it. With these settings in place, your video and audio will come through crisply to everyone in your Zoom meeting.